To enable Apple Pay on Apple Watch, start by ensuring your device is compatible with the service. Apple Pay is available on Apple Watch Series 1 and later models, and you need to have an iPhone 6 or later to pair with your watch. First, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. If you cannot find the app, you can swipe down from the middle of the screen and type Apple Watch in the search bar to locate it. Once you have opened the app, tap on the My Watch tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. You will see a list of credit and debit cards that you have added to your iPhone. To add a new card, tap on Add Credit or Debit Card and follow the prompts to enter your card information. You will be asked to take a picture of your card or enter the details manually. After you have added your card, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions. Your bank may require you to verify your card by calling them or receiving a verification code. Once your card is verified, it will be added to your Apple Watch. To add multiple cards, simply repeat the process of tapping on Add Credit or Debit Card. You can also set a default card by tapping on the card you want to use and then tapping on Default Card. To use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, double-click the side button to open the Wallet app. You will see the cards you have added, and you can scroll through them by swiping left or right. To select a card, tap on it, and then hold your watch near the contactless payment terminal. You will feel a tap on your wrist when the payment is successful. It is essential to keep your Apple Watch and iPhone secure by using a passcode and enabling two-factor authentication. This will prevent unauthorized access to your device and your financial information. By following these steps, you can easily enable Apple Pay on your Apple Watch and start making payments with just a tap of your wrist.